nugget soup, boys. Nice medium-sized nugget soup, beautiful tide. Bol Putra. Man, beautiful driving. Wow, listen, horse. Oh, very confident, beautiful tide coming. Boom. Double spin. A little bit of front. Oh, this is a drainer. You need to drive through this one. Super crazy, 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 crazy. That was incredible yellow. Nice for driving from behind. I just parking it super nice. So you got a runner, you got a funnel.
Yuk benar. Ada tuni tu.
Red on a nugget. Second boat driving, there it goes. All the way, driving, right through, driving. Wow, beautiful exchange. Red, a beautiful exchange. Hey, who's that skier? Who's the back ski? Can you stop going through the lineup? Look, you're whipping it up. Hold the back ski on the lineup. Yellow driving, kick store, Henderson a store, beautiful store. Nice. So manufacturing, arm drag, nice wave. Oh, nugget, beautiful. Oh my goodness, super deep. Holy heck, driving, spin. Oh my, Wow, past champion, look at him go. Nice kick, goes off the bottom. Goes up a little bit.
Ampun tu orang situ.
Bronson Meydi. Oh, he's got to wipe off his face. Here it comes, stick and bowl. Two whips and then drives it super deep. Beautiful. Spin. Still going. Beautiful takeoff. Nice kick base. Oh, nice wiped off styling. Look at this golden dream on the inside. Slow down. Right. Drops down. Pulls it out. Look at this beautiful. From behind. Drives into that section. Keeps it tight. Nice and tight. Deep. It's the funnel. So nice exchange between up and right and drive it. Inside 2 seconds. Counting down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh man, leaderboard. And the blue there. Wahida. Leaderboard. Beautiful looking wave. Drive. Wrap it off. Stay down there. Wait. Hold. Drive it. Super deep. Split. Goes for the kick. Come on. Oh, nice. Nice thing. 2 6 barrels. Beautiful. Drives up super deep. And again. So nugget. Hey, wipe it off. Out on the set. Wait, go.
Bantet. Oh, yang bantet. Jangan itu bantet.
Looking to go on this one. Nice looking red. Driving through, beautiful kickstart, driving through, nice, super deep, runs it through into the channel. Good wave yellow. Nice low back snap. bit of a runner, nice little cover up. Drives the right through, comes out, gives it a smash in the pocket. Oh! Great surfing. Through. Oh, what a wave. Here we go, come on. In combination at the moment, nice tricky fade out left, comes out the park, grabs the road, spins it in, spins it hard, spins it hard, spins it hard, comes out, bang. Weird drive and goes out to the second bit. Oh, nice check fade under the hood. Drives it into second. Right there, let it go this beautiful arch drag off the second bowl. This is a killer section.
Masudad!
Oh man,
Punya, Miguel!
My goodness, those
Yes,
are
pura-pura.
what is going on, that was insane.
What?
Out into the pocket, kicks it in there, right
Suyat.
nugget.
Woo! Woo!
Okay. Well,
Sini baru
ready to pick up the score. It's a runner. Oh wow. Okay. So we need a two-way heat. Holy moly. Holy moly. Oh, look at this one. This is the wave of the day. Woo!
Ikut.
Wipe it off. Go out right here we go. Oh.
Uruh. Uruh.
Are we cooking the styling?
There goes Red! Drive, drive, drive! Pulled in and came out! Out in the channel!
There's one maneuver on the inside, stuffing into a little sloppy monster. Ooh, that's a gnarly looking wave. That's very well. Look at these waves. Woo! Oh. Look at that. Oh no, look at the inside. Woo! Oh, come on, right. Come through. Slow down, slow down. Okay, right. Oh, wow. Let's go. Oh, just scoring line. Good. Driving through. Nice, looking tight. Good stick. Run through. Should have balanced. Nice short one. And now, here is on and now. Come now. Here we go. Kick that out. Oh! Ooh, on a nuggy, man. Yellow looking. Don't just live it too quick. Well, blue was on the way. Blue was on the way. Oh, Bronson over. Score 15.7. Okay, surfers in the water. Red surf there, white surf there, yellow surf there, blue. Okay. Up and down. Okay, boys. There are white on this one. Woo! Oh, let's go back here. Go back to there it is. The chick may comes off. Oh, he popped it. Boom. Ooh. Oh, wow. Okay, yellow. Oh, super light drop out the bottom, driving, nudging, pin. Toxic drives it. Short runner, minute to say. Now. Oh, let's go. Oh, the yellow. Woo. Control on the board. Third right of his right. Drives here right now. Toxic, looks at me to wipe it off. Needs to come out through the other corner. Look how far he rode him in. Okay. Not into the section one, and the yellow there took the hit to the one, and the blue there hit the other, take it back. Okay, driving. The black mamba off the bottom, past this driver. Oh my goodness, holy Victor. This is so gnarly. Look at that, darling. Start the back. Red picture, not into the picture. Take skis out of the channel, please. Take skis out of the channel. Caddies in the channel, please. Channel. Out of the way, please. Caddies out of the channel, please. Come down, wipe it off, right? Hold. Slow down, dude. Turn, driving through. Nice, take the beach line. Nuggy, yellow and a nuggy. Driving through, little bell, running. Okay. Nice little one, good driving.
What, one name?
4, 3, 2, 1. nice trip there. I like how you drove up to the top, come down, pocket from behind, boom. Inside looking. Super good, beautiful one. Come out to excited, drives up into the hole. Oh man, that was so close. It's driving. Super nice, sweet spot. Oh, look at this. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. The little pit down on the finish. On the finish. Oh. Still under the water. He's just come up now. Oh, look at this nugget. Who's this guy? Oh, the good. Oh. Too much cooking. Never too fast on there. Oh, right trip. Look at the right in. Still in the water. 15 seconds remaining. 15 seconds remaining. We're ahead 5, 10 seconds. 9, 8, in the back, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at Tommy Sobry. Everyone out of the water, please. Gentlemen, can you move? Bring your way up to the point. We have the first official women's grand final. Clear the water, please. Distance in the panel. Padang. Today, Margo. Who else is in the super heat? Nathan Garrett's here. So, clear the water, please. Jinsky's back, Padang's back. Super heat. We'll be having the Red Bull Mason Home in the right there. We have Cody Marzo. Is that right? Very loud off the bottom box with nice journey. Look at that journey, wow. Congratulations, grand final. Taking it to the main event. Drive. Good, nice. That number. Now the other man, Victor, 3.4, yellow, there, then across. There we go. We're around Star Park. Beautiful, driving. Marina. And there's Cody Marzo, you can go out and drive, thank you, boys. Come on. Oh, man. Keep it in the channel. We're Sobry to 6.60 to 6.13 in the lead, driving super good. The water standby, pole position, yellow super. Mason Hay driving. Oh, Brown. Here we go, Bronson. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go. Garut Widiarta driving on the forehand, right circle. Great looking road. Just runs it through. Boom. Bronson Meydi coming off the bottom, steering, driving.